Don't fall over. It's gonna fall over, isn't it? It didn't fall over. Fantastic. Alright. Get out of the light. Oh no! Oh, I hate to see it happen. That means this is too low, goes up. Hopefully it didn't throw my angle off on my anchor. Looks like it might have. Boy, it's rocking hard. So far, so good. See if we can make like 2 full revolutions. That'd be a good sign. So far, we're doing pretty good. I just finished lacquering my clock. I lacquered the whole thing. Took every piece apart, well, every removable piece, like all the axle, took all the gears out. Lacquered the frame, the gears, everything. With this Watco spray-on lacquer. This is matte finish, because it matches the paper. I got it at Walmart for not very much money. Because over time, if I get this working and like let it run for years and years, the cardboard will absorb humidity and it will sag. We all know what old cardboard looks like, and the clock will look like that. But in an instrument that requires you to maintain precision for everything to work right and fit right, you can't let this sag. So I lacquered the whole thing twice. Which means I had to put it back together, polish everything, sand all the shafts back down, everything. The reason I did it at this stage rather than I wanted to wait until the face was done. But my bearings are coming in tomorrow. Don't stop. Don't stop. Yeah. My bearings are coming in tomorrow. I ordered a fair amount of bearings. I spent an amount of money on bearings. Little tiny bearings. 2.5 millimeter internal diameter, 8 millimeter outer diameter, and 4 millimeters thick, wide. So I bought like 60 of these. These guys are, I'm gonna say, between $3 and $4 each. Totally worth it, because that's enough bearings for this clock, my previous clock, and my next clock. That's enough bearings for all of them. Oh no, it stopped. Oh, heartbreak. Heartbreak, why did it stop? So I'm in the process of getting everything back together, getting it going again. I don't know why I'm bothering, because tomorrow I'm going to rip it all apart again and put in my bearings. My actual steel-shielded ball bearings. And then there'll be new friction, and this thing's going to be great. But I don't know, I guess I just kind of want to see if it would still work. The thing is, lacquer takes about 20 minutes to dry and about 3 days to harden. It hardens like an enamel. And it's been maybe 3 hours. So it's dry, but it's not hard. So I don't know why I'm doing this. Honestly, I'm just having fun. Also, I just remembered I have not yet showed you my new wooden gears, the ones that I had to modify in order to fix the gear ratios, because I put in the different, what do you freaking call it? I put in a different escapement, which means it needed a different gear ratio for the minute hand, or else it wouldn't work. So I did. I made these wooden gears here, and wouldn't you believe it, I think they're going to work just fine. So I'm pretty proud of myself. Let me get those in there. Show you how they work. And go. Look at that big chunky gear there. This is a little gear. Here's a big gear. It's 18 to 8. It's nice and super easy to cut. Those teeth are the size of my thumb. Look at that. That's how big those teeth are. And so I was thinking, oh, that's going to be terrible, right? Because the teeth are so big. Watch this. Okay, and go. Like butter. Oh, they're perfect. Oh, what was that? What was that? That wasn't supposed to oh, I see the problem. This shaft wasn't all the way in. There we go. Now it's anchored on both sides. Look at that. No bind-ups. Doesn't jagger, start and stop. It's perfect. Super easy to make. I'm going to make more like that. Great big honky gears. Look at that thing go. I love it. Still need to sort out the weight, but I'm not going to do that until I have the bearings in there, so I know what kind of friction I'm actually dealing with. Because right now I got metal on paper, on lacquer, and it's not great. And I'm hoping my bearings will be a game changer. Yay. Super happy. I'm thoroughly impressed at how quiet this clock is after I put this escapement in there. The last one was so loud you could hear it outside. This one's like, you could sleep through this. It's quite nice. Quite nice. Okay, you're done. Be done. That's enough. I'll put my verge back in place. About where I think it should go. There we go. Okay. And up with the weight. Okay. Weight's up. Verge in place. Go. The ticking you probably hear in the background is actually this clock. It's a cheap, disposable quartz clock, probably $2 for the whole thing, because I actually don't know what time it is in my office that I build clocks in. Shame on me, right? Oh, it quit. Why did it quit? Man, I gotta get those bearings in. I'm wasting my time diagnosing it right now. I know once I get rid of all the friction, it's gonna be fine. I just can't wait. I'm really excited. This is my thing now. I build clocks. Ever since I was a kid, I go through a new hobby every couple months. It seems like. I'll get something and I'll be real super into it for about 2 months. I'll buy all the stuff and, you know, like I've got this drum set back here. Got a drum set. Played that for a solid 2.5 months. I've got 3 or 4 guitars. Played them for quite a while. Haven't touched them in a long time. I just think, you know, life gets busy. But I'll be honest, for a long time I was worried that I could never commit to anything. But after a while I decided, you know what, no, that's not true. My thing is that I like to try new things. That's why I have a new hobby every couple months. But I've been working on clocks since December, and now it's March. So either I am coming to the end of this hobby, or I found something I really enjoy. Either way, I get bearings tomorrow. So have a good night, and I'm sure we'll talk tomorrow.